A few wise Mesopotamians realized that a big object could be moved easily if something round, like a log, was placed under it to roll the object. That small thought eventually turned into the greatest invention of all times, the wheel. A small idea occurred to James Watt while observing a boiling kettle that became synonymous with the Industrial Revolution. A mere desire to fly made the Wright brothers to turn the impossible possible. A small step can scale mountains. A small dream can build a conglomerate. A small idea can change the world, because small can make a big difference. That's why NSIC is committed to make a big impact with micro, small and medium enterprises, with over 26 million MSMEs contributing 45% of industrial production, providing employment to about 60 million people with 40% export, with a growth rate of MSME sector at 13% through a range of over 6,000 products, strengthening the backbone of our country's economy, offering new opportunities to tap new markets. Today, as an ISO 9000 company, driving the MSME sector for over 5 decades, NSIC is facilitating and creating employment opportunities by way of promotion and development of small enterprises in the country, with a vision to be a premier organization fostering the promotion and growth of micro, small and medium enterprises, and a mission to enhance the competitiveness of MSMEs by providing integrated support services under marketing, technology and finance.
NSIC के द्वारा इस ढंग की योजना बनाकर जिसके अंतर्गत बेरोजगार से लेकर स्वरोजगार तक की यात्रा निश्चित रूप से बड़ा ही प्रभावी कदम उठाया गया है और यह योजना NSIC के द्वारा सुविचारित है और उनके द्वारा ही प्रयोग करते हुए आम युवक युवतियों को जोड़ा गया है। जहाँ जहाँ भी इस योजना को कार्यान्वित किया गया है, इसका एक बड़ा सफल निष्कर्ष निकला है और इसमें लोग जुड़ रहे हैं।
NSIC, with offices spread all over the country, has been promoting modernization, quality consciousness, strengthening of linkages with large and medium enterprises, and enhancing exports from MSME sector. The corporation provides a wide range of services in the areas of marketing, technology, credit, and information support. Marketing assistance. Marketing, a strategic tool for business development, is critical to the growth and survival of small enterprises in today's competitive market. NSIC acts as a facilitator to promote MSMEs products and devises a number of schemes to support them in their marketing efforts both in and outside the country. Single point registration scheme for government purchases. Under this scheme, MSEs registered with NSIC get purchase preference in government purchase program, exemption from payment of earnest money, issue of tender sets free of cost, and issue of competency certificate.
The benefits that I got from NSIC as an entrepreneur are tremendous. Especially the competency certificate really gives me an edge over my competition.
Consortia and tender marketing. NSIC forms consortia of units manufacturing the same products, thereby easing out marketing problems of MSMEs by exploring the market and securing orders of bulk quantities. NSIC distributes it to MSMEs in tune with their production capacity. Raw material distribution. NSIC support MSMEs by procuring and supplying raw materials like steel, aluminium and copper, etc. NSIC procures raw material from bulk producers and distributes the same in requisite small quantities to MSMEs, ensuring timely delivery, thus playing a role of a catalyst agency. Exhibitions and technology fairs. To showcase competencies of Indian MSMEs and to capture market opportunities, NSIC participates in select international and national exhibitions and sector-specific fairs. NSIC also organizes TechMart, International Technology Fair, a forum where technology seekers and providers meet, discuss and conclude agreements. MSMEs also get a platform to demonstrate their manufacturing strengths and latest technologies, and synergize and collaborate in their respective fields. To give further impetus to marketing of MSMEs products and technologies, NSIC is embarking on an ambitious project of marketing development cum business park and exhibition center for small enterprises. Buyer-seller meets. Bulk and departmental buyers like railways, defense and large companies are invited to participate in buyer-seller meets to enrich MSMEs' knowledge regarding terms and conditions, quality standards required by the buyer. Export facilitation. NSIC as a facilitator helps in export of products and projects of MSMEs to other countries. The major areas of exports are handicrafts, leather items, hand tools, pipe fittings, builders' hardware and supply of small industry projects on turnkey basis. Credit support. Adequate finance for an enterprise is quintessential for its success. To meet credit needs of MSMEs under Bank Credit Facilitation Scheme, NSIC has tie-up arrangements with major commercial banks for providing term loan and working capital facilities, pre-shipment credit, post-shipment credit and for purchase of equipments as per the convenience of MSMEs. NSIC also assists them in technology upgradation. Finance for procurement of raw material. NSIC provides financial assistance for procurement of raw materials up to 90 days, both indigenous and imported. Performance and credit rating scheme. An innovative mechanism for accelerating the pace of credit. The NSIC Performance and Credit Rating Scheme has been launched by NSIC in collaboration with Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. It provides an independent third-party opinion on capabilities and creditworthiness of small enterprises. This scheme is a major milestone for the growth of the Indian small enterprises sector and has changed the scenario of credit availability to MSEs and exposed them to world markets. All major credit rating agencies are impaneled and MSEs are free to choose any impaneled rating agency.
So I think one of the most innovative schemes which NSIC has launched is this performance and credit rating. In fact, they give a subsidy of up to 40,000 rupees to small scale industries in a bid to incentivize them to come forward and get themselves rated on the scheme.
Support services. NSIC's B2B portal. Information plays a vital role in the success of business. Recognizing the importance of information and its relevance to MSMEs, NSIC, through its web portal www.nsicindia.com, disseminates information on business and trade, tender notices, technology sources, spare capacity in SSIs and used machinery, etc. International cooperation. NSIC plays a role of a crystallizing agency, sharing its experience of almost 6 decades with other countries under its international cooperation program. It synergizes with other countries in establishing a policy framework for promotion and development of MSMEs. It also facilitates enterprise-to-enterprise cooperation, technology transfer, other forms of sustainable collaboration through exchange of business and technology missions with various developed and developing countries.
NSIC, established in 1955, has been engaged in promotion and development of micro, small and medium enterprises. It facilitates them in all their diverse requirements, be it in terms of marketing support, technology support, credit support and information support. It is one of its type of organizations which does a complete hand-holding of the micro, small and medium enterprises. Through its complete range of activities, it is able to serve these enterprises in a big way, a complete solution to all their requirements. It plays a prominent role since its inception, and we are confident that in the emerging times it would be playing a pivotal role in promoting and facilitating the MSMEs, not only in the country, but also in all parts of the world.
Training cum Incubation Center. NSIC fosters MSMEs development by helping unemployed aspiring entrepreneurs in selection of projects for manufacture and incubation with a hand-holding approach. This includes identification of project, guidance on manufacturing process coupled with technology development and business development, hands-on training on machinery, preparation of project proposal, and assistance in credit facility, among others, all under one roof.
NSIC has shown me the way to start my own business. I have got practical training over here. I have learned all the aspects of business at NSIC.
Today I am one of the growing businessmen in my industry because I got what I need to establish at the incubator center.
I wanted to open my own boutique. I got trainings and some other help from incubator.
With my colleagues, other incubator managers, we have learned a lot from NSIC, and when we go back to our country, we will look at the model of India and other models and see how we can position ourselves as Botswana, as a country.
This incubation program houses various small technologies which can be seen at these incubation centers. Low cost, simple to operate, easy to understand, and it is these incubation centers which teach the incubatees the various aspects of a business, preparation of a business plan, learning of the technologies, and grooming them to become the entrepreneurs of tomorrow. It is this model which is not only successful in India, but is also accepted world over, and NSIC is playing a leading role in transforming the youth from job seekers to job providers.
Technology support. Technology is the key to enhancing a company's competitive advantage. NSIC, with its technical service centers, imparts technical training from conventional trades to high technology for skill upgradation, providing material testing facilities through accredited laboratories, machining and workshop facilities, and by providing product design. NSIC also emphasizes on sustainable business relations for MSMEs through export of technologies, upgradation and exchange of business delegations. NSIC's software technology parks at New Delhi and Chennai facilitate MSMEs in setting up 100% EOUs for software export. They also act as a nodal point to activate software exports directly through NSIC. Standing on the edge of a new global era, the National Small Industries Corporation is committed to raise the bar of Indian MSMEs against challenges beyond boundaries and above the exceptional, strengthening the nation's economy, harnessing new opportunities, creating more employment, growing bigger. National Industries Corporation, making a big difference.